In this video, I'll be sharing my experience recharging my power bank using direct sunlight, and I want you to try this for yourself if you have or own one of these devices. Let's get started. Day 2 of our challenge to find out how long it takes our solar powered power bank here to charge itself up to 100%. I just checked it a moment ago and it's at 75 to 100% capacity. We're gonna check again tomorrow to see where it's at. So that's day 2 of our challenge to find out how long our power bank takes to charge to 100%. Of our challenge to find out what's happening with our solar power bank, we want to find out how long it takes to charge from 75 to 100%. As of now, I am still at 75%. I just connected an iPad to see what the power draw is like. But we're still at it. We're gonna see what it's like today. We're gonna put it in the sun and see if we can get it all the way up to 100%. The thing about this solar power bank is that although the manufacturer states that there is a specific set of conditions you have to meet in order for charging to take place efficiently, this power bank will actually charge or pick up traces of sunlight even in the faintest of conditions. So right now as we speak, it's picking up the sunlight rays right now. Unfortunately, we weren't able to complete our test because the weather conditions weren't favorable. So I have had to switch to electrical power to continue the test. But we were at 75 to 100% full capacity last time I checked. But this is where our power bank is at right now, as you can see in the video. One thing you'll notice when transitioning from direct sunlight to electrical recharge, there will be a slight delay in the transition, probably 2 to 3 seconds, and then your device will start to recharge itself using electrical power. That delay is not manufacturer fault, it's just a protection measure designed in the device. So if you notice that with yours, it's a safety feature.